All right, JJ here in the middle of the snowstorm. It's day 22. Let's go ahead and check this beer out. The Blackberry Cheesecake Incident by Eagle Park Brewing Company. I think we've had an Eagle Park beer sometime during this calendar. Let's go ahead and check this guy out. Label art by Alyssa and Nick Segura. Cool looking can. Kind of sounds like blackberry cheesecake inspired Berlin style Weiss ale with lactose, blackberries, graham cracker, and cheesecake flavoring. Sounds like a cupcake in a glass. All right, smells of blackberry, smells of cheesecake. Pouring like a raspberry color. Let me show that to you. Almost frozen. So this Microphone Brewing, Eagle Park Brewing Company. Maybe that's a collaboration. Put that down. Cheers. Whoa. That tastes like dessert. Yeah. Blackberry cheesecake. All the things. I think I would have liked this better. I don't even like stouts, but I think I would have liked this better if it was a stout, because it tastes like it kind of should be a stout. I'm tasting all the blackberry. I'm tasting that cheesecake. Very, very interesting brew. This is an acquired taste. I think you should probably eat dessert while drinking a little bit of this, but maybe not too much of it. I'm gonna go ahead and put this at a 2.75. I need to get out of the snowstorm. Stay safe. That's a review.